This is a used 2012 Ram 1500. It's powered by four-wheel drive engine and an automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, heated steering wheel, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, remote start, steering wheel controls, a DVD system, memory seats, a premium sound system. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.